Ewan ko kung full clap.
Naglalag pa ako, wait lang.
Golem engage.
Naka-full
Hybrid
na
daw.
ako.
Lobas, may long
Oh, nag-double OC.
Sino malapit, Zen? Naka-dismount lang dito.
Ayaw ata nila outpost din.
Nagdirag.
Mountain Fell City.
Just hold. Instant red tab.
Sabi ni Kip, di daw lalaban sa
Ay,
OP. Ayaw daw nila sa OP.
Ayaw lumaban sa office, Zen?
Sila lumaban.
Naka-dismount lang dito.
Wala sila.
Ayan, yun sila. Gusto nila, di ba?
Open world.
Muli ako.
Kung gusto nila content, sila yung pumunta dito. Yun lang yun.
Yan na.
Walking sila, walking pupunta na dyan.
Dismount. Just positions of notice.
Walking na, nandiyan na sa taas.
Positions of notice. Just hold.
Clear comes na.
Hold. Just hold. Tag ako.
Nagdirag ka.
Meron city, may ganker,
Nag-discord
pero abot ka naman
Hindi.
dito.
Lag pa. Okay na.
Hindi yung Discord mo.
Nasa east na sila.
Dito. Pinakakanto. Dito bas pinakadoyo.
Okay nga yan,
Yan
sila
na.
na, parang mo.
Kames. Gago si Pakol.
Ako lang alin.
Kames.
Nag-OC na.
Just hold muna. Di, wag mag-ingat ka siya. Ano kumanan tundra natin? Gago zone. Just hold.
Here kayo sa walls ha.
Ano may
Just hold.
sila?
Just hold.
Pero may longbow. May hindi nag-call ng OC, ba't kaya nag-OC?
Call talaga,
Call.
boss. Nag-call
Nag-call.
talaga.
Pa nga yung caller.
Walking.
Ba't di ka nag-OC? Yun ang tanong.
Nasa east mo, Arzen.
Hold. Just hold. Kami. Careful, kami sabit.
Ano?
Just hold. Sino mo caller nila?
Golem.
Fake lang to. Just hold. Come west, come southwest. Raraparan sila northwest. Come southwest, kahit for a bit. Come southwest, huwag kayo mag-northwest. Come southwest. Makinig kayo mga pukin ng ina. Come southwest. Ano?
Oo, hindi na. Takbo na.
Nag-north sila.
Just hold yun. May play counter. Ano to may clerical? Just kiss ng W. Dapat di pala ako nag-clerical. Wait, just hold. Ay, si Aynat pala.
Engaging.
Defense.
Ay, hindi, fake.
Si Shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Si Shallow. Give me life care sa front. Just Shallow. Come back southwest a bit. Come back southwest. Ready defensive? Just hold. Come southwest and hold. Just hold. Okay, pumasok. Okay, just hold and spread. Defense. Full defense. Okay, now you walk in, boys. Now you walk in. Don't be afraid. Walk in. Walang mga issue yung DPS nila. Go to the back line. Walk in. Wala kasi akong fake. Walk in. Just keep walking in and spread. Everybody look north. North. Deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North deep, boys. North deep on micro and spread again. Spread. DPS, masyadong late. Just spread again. Ready gigapass and spread. Spread this side. Hold. Defense is spirit in the middle. They're looking at the middle. Defense. Hold. Good shit. Fake lang yan.
Fake.
Ready. Defense.
Fake ulit.
Fake ulit yun. Perma engage. Defense.
Yan na.
Full defense. Walk in. Keep walking in. Keep rolling. East. South. Micron. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South Micron, boys. Inside. Fuck, man. Good shit.
Putang ina.
And spread.
Sarap mo, Arzen.
Go in. Keep walking in. Eat them. Katsuchokan. Tumatakbo na agad.
Awit din, ako lang namatay.
Action Shitter, namatay.
Namatay ako sa di mo na armor.
Action Shitter, namatay.
Anxious, okay lang yan.
Patay din ako, bossing.
Oh my god, that was a good engage, boys.
Ang
Ibad ko yung awit na hindi ako nag-enjoy ito.
Full din ako dun, kaya ka nakapurang malaki dun eh.
satisfying video.
Grabe.
Grabe ka na, Chardy.
Kipo, patingin, kipo.
Ryan, nabuli natin
Sabi ko
yung
sa'yo, Zen, may tulong